Hello, we're at the Ding Darling Wildlife Refuge. What we got here is a bunch of egrets and ibis. This is what wildlife bird photographers call bird porn. That's what my buddy calls it, bird porn. Hello. You catching fishies? Yeah, there you are. There's like about 50 of them. They're all scattered throughout. I think I like ripped off about 40 gigs of shots already, just in this one spot. Overkill. Ah, ah. Hey, it's an iPhone video. What do you expect? Just seen it about 20 minutes ago. There's like 50 photographers lined up. They all had tripods. And I was looking at them going like, what the hell are you doing with a tripod? You don't need a damn tripod. Why? Why? You don't need a tripod, girlfriend. Don't need a tripod, girlfriend. Okay, stick your butt in my face. There we go. Oh, we got something. What did you catch? Croc. Catching crabs and minnows. Yeah. Caught a minnow. There we go. Yum, yum, yum.
Snack.
Yeah. Later tonight, he's going to fly over your car and redeposit that fish on the top of your car.
It won't be later tonight, honey. It'll be in 10 minutes.
I know. They don't have a stomach. It's just a hollow tube from their throat to their butthole, probably. I shouldn't say that. That's not nice. Anyway.
They're very pretty, but they're not very...
Welcome to the Wildlife Refuge. Catch you later.